ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಇದು ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಡಿಆರ್ಎಂ ತರಂಗಾಂತರ 603 ಕಿಲೋ ಹರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ನಿಲಯದ ಇಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Electric vehicle, AM will become noisy. Okay. But here you can see that in the electric vehicle, DRM is working, right? And like the audio quality also will be very good actually. We are getting.
My name is Jacob, sir.
Yeah.
I'm working in MG ORR Madhepura Outer Ring Road showroom.
Okay.
I'm 2 years experience in this
Car
showroom.
Oh, okay. What is your feelings about the?
Yeah, sir. Just now only I came to know about the FM and DRM. As of now, I don't know about the DRM. What the sir has explained once he had driven up to 200 kilometers.
Okay.
Then only we will get the sound quality like FM.
Okay.
Once I starting the FM,
Okay.
Every time I'm playing with the FM only.
Okay.
Now as of presently I came to know the DRM also working.
Okay.
So that finally I learned about the DRM.
Okay. Good.
Thank you.
Please share this information to your customers, old customers,
Okay,
those who are having DRM car radio. Please share whenever you contact.
Okay, sir.
Through WhatsApp.
Okay.
There is a possibility.
Yeah, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ
ಆರಿಸು ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಮ್ ಡಿಮ್ಮವಾ, ಓ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೃದಯ ಶಿವ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ರತ್ನ ಭಂಡಾರ